Number 8. Resin band 200-meter water resistance. Radio controlled watch multi-band 6. Smart access tough movement. Case material carbon, bezel material stainless steel. Triple G resist tough solar. Sapphire crystal with glare resistant coating. Number 7. Bracelet plastic glass pin buckle. Shape of the case round, glass manner glass. Analog digital display case diameter 42.9 mm. Bracelet material plastic, weight 41 grams. Number 6. Display type analog, case diameter 5.1 centimeters. Case thickness 15.9 millimeters. Atom weight 5.5 ounces. Band width 26.2 millimeters. Band color silver. Movement Japanese quartz. Number 5. Case material titanium, bezel material carbarium. Sapphire crystal with glare resistant coating. Solid band tight lock, 1 press 3 fold clasp. Titanium band screw lock crown. Magnetic resistant, shock resistant watch. Water resistant depth is 200 meters. Tough solar powered watch. LED light super illuminator. We can use 5-month unchargeable battery. Regular timekeeping. (27 time zone home city time swiping). Number 4. Display type analog digital. Case diameter 49.6 millimeters. Case thickness 12.9 millimeters. Band width 28.2 millimeters. Band color black. Atom weight 3.81 ounces. Movement Japanese quartz. Number 3. Display type digital. Case diameter 5.2 centimeters. Case thickness 14.4 millimeters. Atom weight 4.34 ounces. Movement Japanese quartz. Brilliant watch, well suited to formal and everyday wear. Simple, clean, nice watch for a reasonable price. Wow, what a great piece, worth every penny. I love this mechanical hand-wound piece. I recommend this watch to everyone. Number 2. Case bezel material resin. Resin band shock resistant watch. Manner glass water resistant depth is 200 meter. LED light super illuminator auto light switch function. Display of distance speed pace function. .38 time zone. Approximate battery life of this watch is 2 years. Number 1. Case material carbon, bezel material resin. Resin band manner glass. Carbon core gourd structure. Water resistant depth is 200 meters. Battery life of this watch is 10 years.